Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Melissa. If you're returning, go and big up yourself. As you can see behind me, I am currently still in the Virgin Islands and it's about to be sunset. Guys, we live near the airport, so you might hear some noise. I'm gonna pause, let this plane do its thing. All right, I think I'm safe. All right, so anyways, YouTube is making it easy for small creators like our channel to do really well. Okay, so we had a viral video that did 100K views in December. It's currently at 118K. And in the previous video, we talked about what it took for us to get that 100K and the reality of being able to make money on YouTube. So just to circle back to some of those things, it was about being relatable and authentic, inspiring, and being able to teach someone something. So in this video, I want to share some of what we've learned along the way to help you guys also connect and make the most money that you can make. So as you go into 2025, guys, one thing that I want to encourage you is that you have to have multiple streams of income, and YouTube can be one of that for you. So if you have anything that you're passionate about or that you can actually go in front of the camera and teach someone, go ahead and start drawing out the plans right now, okay? Because YouTube is making it easy for anyone to grow and for anyone to make money very easily. And when I say easily, what I mean is this. You pick up a camera and you point it at yourself, you record what you need to record, and then you just post it on the channel. Now, it's not that easy, right? You have to make sure that your titles are SEO friendly. So similar to my title here, which is YouTube is making it easy for anyone to make money, right? That's a simple title. It's catchy. It pulls in the person's interest. And so when they click on your video, you're able to share more. So you're able to expound on that topic. So let me make it more relatable. Do you guys remember when you were in school and you had to write a paper, right? And the teacher was like, hey, I need you to write a 10-page essay or paper on a specific topic. And you thought it was so hard to do that because you're like, where the hell do I start? And then the teacher says to you, hey, you need to go ahead and create an outline, okay? So creating an outline is the guidebook that you need to be able to expound on topics. And so that's what your title is. Your title is the one sentence outline that's going to allow you to expound on more information in your video. So as I repeat, YouTube is making it super easy for small creators like myself and you, if you decide to do it, to make money easy on the platform. They want you to be authentic, they want you to be yourself, and they want you to put information out there that's going to help other creators, that's also going to make a difference. And so let's talk about how much money we made in the month of December. Oh my gosh, guys, oh my gosh. I just want to say thank you. Thank you to our supporters who have been with us. Guys, I could think of so many of you that have just given us encouragement along the way, that have, stuck with us, right? Through all of the different changes. Like, we didn't always start making super awesome content. Actually, we did. No, I'm kidding. I always believed in our content. Some of it is a little cringe as I look back at it right now, but you have to go through those phases, right? You have to go through the ugly phase. You have to go through those phases of learning and unlearning and becoming who you are. Like, you can't get rid of that phase. So that's why I'm telling you guys to start now. But if your goals are to make money in 2025, YouTube is going to help you make money. So let's talk about how much we made. So let me pull out my phone. All right. Guys, it is so nice and breezy up here. So in the month of December, we made $674.60. Oh my gosh, in 1 month. Okay, in 1 month, we made $674.60. And I've seen other people post what they make on YouTube because I love watching those videos. So I know this is not even what the max is, okay? I know the potential that's there. Hubby and I talked about our freedom number. And you also should have a freedom number. What is that number for you each month that's going to allow you to live the life that you want to live? And that number for us is somewhere between $12,000 to $15,000 a month. Okay, so that, and I'm not talking about before taxes, I'm talking about after taxes. $12,000 to $15,000 will allow us to live in a certain way that's going to allow us to travel and continue to bring more content and all of the different things. And so I'm putting that out there in January of 2025 because my hope and dream is that with consistency and with the work and with you guys' support that we're going to be able to do it. And I'm celebrating this $674 right now because that goes a very long way. That could purchase, it could pay bills, it could do anything. Okay, $674 could buy you a vacation to somewhere. It could pay your light bill, your water bill. It could pay a lot. Okay, I'm going to compare the $674 to what we made in prior months. In November, we made $152.84. In October, we made $135.25. In September, we made $226, okay? So that just shows you that we quadrupled what we made in the previous 3 months. Quadrupled, previous 4 months. Tripled, quadrupled, whatever you call it. We made the most money we've ever made in a month. And so now I'm so eager to continue to grow. Like, I'm so motivated, you guys. I don't know about you, but I am motivated by money. If you tell me that I can make this for performing, I'm with it. I'm all about it, which is why I'm so good at my job. I am good at my job because I believe in making the numbers work for myself and for the company. And so I've always been someone who's a top achiever because of that, okay? And so now YouTube is showing me just how easy it is to make money. Lean in a little bit. I am going for the gold. And I just want you guys to come along with me. So I have a lot of YouTuber friends, okay? And if it doesn't touch anybody today, I'm speaking directly to you guys. Now, I don't know how much money you make on YouTube. I can't say that you make less than this because you very well could be making a lot more money, okay? And here I am talking like this is $1 million. So please don't take it anyway. But I want us all to win. I want us all to win in 2025, and I want us to take up space, which is why I'm leaning in. Take up space, sis. Take up space, bro, and make that money, okay? I want you to just start filming, put the videos out there, but make sure you're researching titles and making sure that it's SEO friendly. Don't just put up the video without description, without tags. And if you want me to post more about that, I'll tell you, because it took me a long time to get here, to figure out what works on YouTube. And your video titles have to be searchable. Your video titles in this day and age also need to be formatted in a way that captures your audience, and not just like how to do this. You can do that, right? But for example, I'm going to title this video, YouTube is making it super easy for anyone to make money. Okay, or it's super easy for anyone to make money on YouTube. Something like that, some variation of that is what I'm going to do. And I'm also going to watch the video for the next 24 hours and adjust. Pay attention to your analytics. So you should already have YouTube Studio downloaded. If you don't, I suggest that you go ahead and have that, because that's going to help you with ensuring that as you're paying attention to the analytics, you're adjusting. So in the first 2 hours, YouTube is still trying to place the video. So your title should not just be clickbait. It should also, again, what you're talking about should be somewhat what the title is saying. And YouTube will tell you in about 2 hours or so if people are actually clicking on your video. And that's the click-through ratio, okay? So the click-through ratio will tell you, is your thumbnail making people click on it, or maybe your title? And if they are, great, because it'll get like a green check mark. If it's not, it will tell you, hey, your title and your thumbnail, something is off, so pay attention to it. And so I will typically change my title. I don't love changing my thumbnails because I work very hard at it and I just don't like it. It's too much work. So I very rarely will change my thumbnail, but sometimes I do. And sometimes when I change the thumbnail, I see that the video starts to take off, or I tweak the title and it starts to take off. So that's a tip. Just make sure you don't just post your video and leave it and say, hey, this is not getting any views. Sometimes it takes 2 weeks for your video to kick off. Let me tell you guys the story. Last year, our second most money we made on YouTube, which also came super easy, was in July. We made just over $400. And it was a video that we posted in March, early March. Guys, the video didn't take off till July. So when I first posted that video, it got maybe 300 views, and it stayed consistently under 500 for the entire duration from March to July. And then all of a sudden in July, the video took off, and then it got straight to 50K views. Straight to 50K views. Don't lose faith. Post the videos, pay attention to your analytics, and just adjust where you need to. Leave some things. If you are convicted that this is the title and this is the picture, leave it, because just like that video in July, it eventually took off. I didn't change the title and I didn't change the picture because I was convicted. It was a Black History Month video on food and the Gullah culture, and I wasn't willing to budge on the title or the picture, so I left it. And eventually it took off. So I'm just saying, pay attention. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm an open book. I love to share the knowledge as much as I have. I can't say that I'm going to be sharing fully about how to grow and creator stuff, because that's not my niche. But I'm willing to share our progress because I'm committed to why we started this YouTube channel in the first place, which was about us making it. So making it with the Matthews is all about sharing the ups, downs, lefts, rights, and all of that, like we said in the previous video. And I'm committed to sharing that with you guys. So hold me accountable. But I just want to say thank you. Genuinely, thank you for allowing us this opportunity to come in front of you, sharing our lives and sharing our stories and being vulnerable. Thank you. And because of you, we're able to see this type of money being made on a channel that we didn't even pay to participate in. There's no entry fee. So thank you. We appreciate it so, so much. And we hope that you continue to watch our videos. We hope that you continue to connect. And if you want to continue to share feedback, again, we're open to that. Video ideas. We love you guys. Bye. See you in the next video.